హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్ఎంఆర్ తెలుగు ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేద్దామంటే సైజ్ ఆఫ్ పాయింటర్స్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈస్ 1 byte, ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఈస్ 2 bytes, ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోట్ ఈస్ 4 bytes. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిస్కస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సైజ్ ఆఫ్ పాయింటర్. Here I am declaring int a is equal to 10. So in this, the a is a integer type of variable. The memory is allocated for 2 bytes. So the size of int is 2 bytes. The variable name is a. Every variable has some address. I will take 500 is 1 byte. It's 501 is another one. Okay, 500 is 1 byte. 501 is so 501 is another byte. Okay, for integer memory is allocated for 2 bytes. Here I am declaring int asterisk ptr is equal to address of a. Here the memory is allocated for ptr. The memory of is 2 bytes. So the memory is 2 bytes. So the memory is allocated for 2 bytes. So variable name is ptr. Variable name is ptr. So memory is 2 bytes. This one is 1 byte. This one is another byte. So 501 and then 500. So our number system is from right to left. That's why first byte is this one is second byte. Okay, next one is I will take the character. Here I am declaring int or char ch is equal to within the single quotes a and char asterisk cptr character pointer is equal to address of ch. Here the memory is allocated for ch. Here the character size is 1 byte. So the memory is allocated for 1 byte. So every variable has some name. That name is ch and the address is I will take 500. Okay. So next you have to assign the character variable address 500 into the variable is called cptr. So the memory is allocated for cptr. So this one is first byte, second one is second byte. So I will take 50 or I will take okay same name, not problem, 500 501. Here I am taking 500. Okay, so if you want you can take different address. Take here I am taking 600. This one is 601. Okay, next address of ch is 500. 500 is stored in address of cptr. Okay, so next one is I am declaring float. F is equal to some value assign 10.5 f, and then I will declaring float pointer float asterisk fptr is equal to address of f. Here the memory is allocated for f is float size is 4 bytes. That's why memory is allocated 4 bytes. This is 2 bytes. We are taking another 2 bytes. Total 4 bytes. Here the variable name is f. Here I am taking starting address. Total 4 bytes. So first byte, second, third. Okay. First byte address is 500. 500. So next byte is 501. Next one is 502. Then 503. 503. Okay. Here the memory is allocated for float pointer. Okay. The float pointer size is 2 bytes. Two bytes. So first byte and then second byte. So variable name is fptr. So fptr. Here the starting address is 500 and then next address is 501. 501. Okay. So please observe the size of integer is 2 bytes. The size of character is 1 byte. The size of float is 4 bytes. But the size of integer pointer is 2 bytes. The size of character pointer is 2 bytes. The size of float pointer is 2 bytes. So the size of all pointers is equal. Okay, so please note this one. The size of all pointers is same. So that is 2 bytes. 2 bytes. Okay, right. Next we have to discuss the size of pointer with a good example. Void main so int a is equal to, here I am assigning 511. Next char asterisk cptr. Here I am taking character pointer cptr. Here I am assigning another integer variable. Okay, so default value is garbage value, no need to assign. Here I am taking char asterisk character pointer is equal to address of a. Next b is equal to asterisk ptr. Next asterisk ptr is equal to 10. And then printf %d comma a comma b comma asterisk ptr. So what is the output of a given program? Okay, in this example we are declaring how many variables? 3 variables, a, b, c, ptr. The memory is allocated for 3 variables. A. So integer size, a is which type of variable? Integer. The size of integer is 2 bytes. Variable name is 500. This is first byte. This one is the second byte. Here I am taking first byte address is 500, next byte address is 501. Next, int b. Here we are declaring another variable b. So variable name is b. Some address. Here I am taking some 600. So initial value is garbage value. So int a is equal to 511 is stored in a in bytes. Okay, so please convert 511 into binary form. We will get the following result. So every byte has 8 bits, 0000001. 8 bits, next 111 and then 111. Okay, so whenever you have to convert the 511 into binary form, the following in memory it is stored like this. Okay, next char pointer. Here I am declaring so cptr character pointer address is 2 bytes. So variable name is cptr. So here I am taking some address 700. In cptr it stores the address of a. So please remember, so what is the a? A is 511. So what is the address of a? Here the address of a is 500 and 501. Okay, this is the first byte, this one is the second byte. So the first address is stored in the cptr. The first address is 500. So value 500 is stored in cptr. So that means cptr is pointing to first byte. So cptr is a character pointer. In character pointer we can store integer variable address. This is valid statement. Next, b is equal to asterisk ptr. So please remember, ikkada you have to take cptr. Instead of taking cptr, here you have to take simply ptr. Okay, so asterisk ptr. What is ptr? Ptr is 500. Asterisk ptr. Asterisk ptr is 500 address variable. That is, what is the size of character? Here the size of character is 1 byte. That's why this statement asterisk ptr returns object at that location or variable at that location. 500 address location is this one. It simply returns 1111 in B. So in B is replaced with 1111 space 111. This 8 bits is stored in B. Okay. If this value is equal to -1, this equal binary form to integer value is equal to -1. This total thing is replaced with -1. So what is the value of B is -1. So please observe, here we are taking character pointer. That's why that pointer returns single byte, first byte. That value is stored in B. Next, asterisk ptr is equal to 10. Here we are assigning 10 value into asterisk ptr. What is ptr? ptr is 500. Asterisk ptr means this value. This value is replaced with 10. 10. So convert the 10 value into binary form. The equivalent value is 01 1 0. So total first 4 0 0 0 1 1 0. 8 bits, 4 bits, 2 bits, 0. This value is 10. 10 equivalent binary form is this one. So this one is 0 into 2 power 0 into 1 into 2 power 1. This value is 1 into 2 power 8. That value is equal to 256. 256 plus 10. The value is 266. So in A, this total value is equal to 266. So what is the value of A? Value of A is 266 is printed space. Here B, what is the value of B? -1. So -1 is printed. What is PTR? PTR is 500. What is asterisk PTR? Object at that location. The PTR is which type of pointer? Character pointer. Character size is 1 byte. That's why it returns only first byte. The first byte value is 10. We run this code. The output is 266 space -1 space 10. So we want to execute this code. Void main. So here please remember the size of all pointers is equal. The size of character is 1 byte. The size of integer is 2 bytes. The size of float is 4 bytes. But it is a character pointer or integer pointer or float pointer. All pointer sizes are equal. So int A is equal to 511 into B. Here I am taking char asterisk PTR. The PTR is equal to address of A. So B is equal to asterisk PTR. The asterisk PTR is equal to 10. Then print percentage D space percentage D space percentage D comma A comma B comma asterisk PTR. So save this one, compile. So we will get a warning where there is some warning 1 1. That warning is we are assigning integer pointer is to the character pointer. Read this one. So warning is not a problem. Just run this code. Control F9. So Alt F5. So output is 266 -1 and then 10. So here instead of character we are taking integer. Okay, it is similar to first example. Nothing but it returns 2 bytes of memory. Asterisk B is 211 511. B is asterisk PTR means it returns 2 bytes of memory. That means B is 511. In asterisk PTR it is 10. That means A value is replaced with 10. We run this code. A value is 10. B value is 511. Asterisk PTR is nothing but A, that is 10. We have to run this code. Control F9, Alt F5. So output is 10, 511, 10. So here here important concept is we can assign character pointer. Char asterisk PTR returns single byte, not 2 bytes. So please remember the sizes of all pointers are equal. Okay. So thank you for watching.